Today we're going to talk about base 16. So last time we ended up with base 16, and so I'm going to start this session with adding numbers in base 16. So adding numbers. Now in base 16 we are allowed how many symbols? 16 symbols, and they're going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then a new symbol, which is A, B, C, D, E, and F. So those are 16. So we have not 10 here. So 0 to 9, that's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 symbols all in all. So let's get started with an example. So what if we add numbers 14? Yeah, this is in our system in base 10. In base 10, we can add 14, add 15, and of course your answer would be 2 tenths, yes, and 9. That's your answer in base 10. But how do you do this in base 16? How do you write 14 in base 16? Yeah, and so is 15. So it's better to make a drawing. And so let's draw 14 objects here. So let's have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now if you notice here, you could say how many groups of 16? No, you don't have it. Yeah? So what we got so far is how do you write 14? So it's basically we have here, I'm going to point at them at the same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now, okay, what is it? So 9, we have 9 here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then we had 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Just about, you're just seeing it all about. So 14 is basically letter, I forgot. Let's just see all of that there. That's better. Oh, that's okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 14 is written as letter E in base 16. Now you add that with 15. Let's see how we do it. So we count 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Now, we are here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, A, which is A, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 is written as letter F. Now, how do you add them? In such a way, it's a silly way to write a number with a letter, but it is what it is in base 16. Now, the question you need to ask is that together, you can form a group of 16. So, because this is 15, you just have to add more, yes? So, essentially, Yeah, that is one group of 16. So E plus F makes a one group of 16. Yes, one group of 16. So essentially that could be this one is one group of 16. And now what's the leftover? Well, the leftover is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, how do you write 13 in base 16? So basically, you have here 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So you write it as D. So that's what it is. So in base 16, E plus F is 1D. And this is how you do adding numbers in base 16. Now, let's have another example. Let's try it. I don't have much space now, but we don't need this. So, yeah. Let's have another example. So let's take this number here. Yeah, so 1D, which is in base 16, this whole number, add, let's say, one group of 16 and 3 remaining. Let's take that number. So let's draw 1 3 in base 16. So we could say that this is 1D. This whole thing is 1D. Now let's add 1 3. So that means one group of 16. Yeah, so this one means one group of 16. So let's count 16. So let's have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. So this is one group of 16. And so that represents this one in here. Now, what's 3 is 3 outside of this. So let's do 1, 2, 3. All right. So here we can tell now that the one green here and one green bubble here is this and this. Now the question is that the ones, this is D and this is 3. Yeah, this is D and this is 3. Now, if we add these two together, do we make a 16? So let's see. Yeah. Can we make a 16? So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We cannot make a 16. So the answer would be 15. How do you write D plus 3? How do you write this? So 15 would be, that's 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So D plus 3 would be F. And then 1 plus 1 is 2, which is really this and this. So this is your answer. So 1D plus 1, 3 in base 16 adds up to 2F. Now let's have one more example. So let's take this number here, right? And let's say 2F in base 16, let's just say add 5. Let's just take that in. So all we're doing is this is 2F. The whole thing is 2F. We just add 5. So let's add that 5 here, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if we add them, yeah, what's the answer? So we need to ask, can this drawings, these little circles outside the green one make up 16. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the one in here makes another 16. So it makes 1 16 and 5 outside. So F, yes, plus 5 makes another 116. Let's say another 116 and 5 outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 outside. So all in all, you got 2 16s plus 1 16 makes 3 16s. That's why you got here 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3, and 5 outside. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here, yeah. 1, 2, 3, which is this one, and 5 outside, which is this. So 2F in base 16 plus 5 in base 16 makes 3 5 in base 16. And so I'd like to give you a homework. So the homework would be, now let's look at in here. I'm going to look at it in here. Homework would be, what is 1F in base 16 add 2E in base 16, and your answer should be a question mark, yeah, in base 16. So let me know in the comment section below, and we'll continue learning how to add numbers in different bases. So in the next episode, we're going to talk about adding numbers in base 9.